Imagine opening your kitchen cabinet and realizing that some of the most helpful wellness solutions aren't hidden in expensive bottles or complicated routines, but are already sitting right in front of you, quietly waiting to be used. Because long before modern products existed, people relied on simple, natural remedies made from everyday ingredients to support comfort, balance, and daily well-being. And even today, many of those beginner-friendly home remedies continue to be used around the world for everyday situations, not as cures or replacements for professional care, but as gentle ways to support the body and feel better naturally. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. Simple home remedies that are easy to understand, easy to try, and grounded in traditional use and common sense. So let's begin with something almost everyone has in their home. Warm water, because starting your day with warm water has long been associated with supporting digestion and hydration, especially after hours of sleep when the body hasn't received fluids. And while it may sound basic, this habit helps gently wake up your system, encourages mindful hydration, and sets a calm tone for the day. And you can make it even more comforting by adding a squeeze of lemon for flavor or simply enjoying it plain, slowly rather than rushing, allowing your body to ease into the morning. Moving on, another widely known beginner remedy involves honey, a natural ingredient valued for its soothing texture and pleasant taste, often used traditionally to support throat comfort or mixed into warm beverages. And while honey isn't suitable for everyone, especially young children, many adults enjoy adding it to warm water or tea as part of a calming routine, especially during seasonal changes when comfort is needed. And because honey blends well with other ingredients, it's often paired with ginger, which brings us to our next remedy, ginger tea, made simply by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water, creating a warming drink that people have traditionally used to support digestion and comfort after meals, especially when the body feels heavy or unsettled. And beyond its warmth, ginger encourages slowing down, sipping mindfully, and listening to your body, which is often the most overlooked part of wellness. Another beginner-friendly remedy involves peppermint, commonly enjoyed as a tea or aromatic herb, known for its refreshing scent and cooling sensation. And while peppermint is often associated with freshness, many people enjoy it after meals or during moments of mental fatigue, not as a treatment, but as a sensory reset that feels light and calming, especially when you pause, breathe deeply, and allow the aroma to relax your senses. Now let's talk about something incredibly simple yet often underestimated, saltwater rinses, which have been traditionally used for basic oral comfort and hygiene, especially after long days of talking or dryness. And while this practice is not a cure or substitute for dental care, gently rinsing with warm salt water can be a comforting ritual that helps you feel refreshed, especially combined with proper hydration and rest. Another home remedy many beginners find easy is steam inhalation, which simply involves breathing in warm steam from a bowl of hot water, often with nothing added at all, allowing moisture to reach the airways and provide a sense of openness and relaxation. And while it's important to practice safely and avoid hot surfaces, this method is often used during dry seasons or when the environment feels uncomfortable, offering warmth and calm rather than treatment. Moving forward, let's explore the role of rest as a remedy, because sometimes the most effective home support isn't an ingredient at all, but permission to pause, lie down, stretch gently, and allow your body to recover from daily demands, especially in a world that often glorifies constant activity. And even small breaks, short naps, or moments of silence can help support mental clarity and physical comfort, reminding us that rest is not laziness, but a necessary part of balance. Another gentle remedy involves warm compresses, which can be as simple as a warm towel applied to areas that feel tense, encouraging relaxation and comfort. And while this doesn't address underlying causes, it often helps the body relax and release surface tension, especially when paired with slow breathing or calming music. Let's also talk about hydration beyond plain water, such as herbal teas, including chamomile, which many people enjoy in the evening as part of a wind-down routine, not because it forces sleep, but because it creates a signal for the body and mind to slow down, helping separate busy daytime energy from nighttime rest.
and the act of making tea itself becomes a calming ritual. Another beginner-friendly remedy is mindful breathing, something you can do anywhere, anytime, without tools or ingredients, simply by slowing your breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth, which many people find helps support relaxation and emotional balance during stressful moments, making it one of the most accessible wellness practices available. Now let's move into kitchen-based remedies that support daily comfort, such as oats,
which are often enjoyed as a warm, nourishing meal that feels grounding and steady, especially in the morning, helping people feel satisfied and supported as they start the day, not as a solution to health problems, but as a simple food that encourages consistency and nourishment. Similarly, bananas are often enjoyed for their convenience and gentle nature, making them a popular choice for quick energy or light meals, especially when the body feels sensitive or needs something easy to digest. Another widely used ingredient is turmeric, often added to warm milk or meals, valued traditionally for its role in cooking and routine nourishment. And while it's not a cure, many people enjoy incorporating it into their diet as part of a balanced approach to eating, especially when paired with black pepper for flavor and tradition. Let's also acknowledge the importance of sleep routines as a home remedy in itself, because going to bed and waking up at consistent times, dimming lights in the evening, and reducing screen exposure are simple lifestyle choices that support overall well-being and help the body maintain rhythm and balance, reminding us that wellness isn't always about adding something new, but often about removing excess stimulation. Another gentle practice is stretching, especially slow, mindful stretching in the morning or evening, helping the body feel more comfortable after long periods of sitting or standing. And while stretching doesn't replace physical therapy or professional care, it can help maintain flexibility and awareness of how your body feels day to day. We also can't ignore the role of fresh air and sunlight, which are often overlooked yet incredibly supportive of mood and energy, as stepping outside, opening windows, or simply spending a few moments in natural light can help reset your internal clock and improve how you feel throughout the day. Another beginner-friendly remedy involves journaling, not as therapy, but as a way to clear mental clutter by writing thoughts down, helping the mind feel lighter and more organized, especially before bedtime when racing thoughts often interfere with rest. Let's also talk about simple foot soaks, where warm water is used to relax tired feet at the end of the day, sometimes paired with gentle massage, offering comfort and grounding, especially for people who spend long hours standing or walking. Moving on, aromatherapy, using mild natural scents like lavender or eucalyptus, can help create a calming environment, not by changing the body directly, but by influencing mood and relaxation through scent, reminding us how powerful sensory experiences can be in shaping how we feel. Another important aspect of home remedies is consistency, because no single practice works instantly, and gentle habits often support well-being gradually over time rather than delivering immediate results, which is why patience and awareness are essential. Let's also highlight the importance of listening to your body, because beginner remedies should always feel supportive, not forced. And if something doesn't feel right, it's okay to stop, adjust, or seek guidance, as wellness is personal and dynamic. Another simple remedy involves reducing clutter in your environment, as physical clutter often contributes to mental clutter, and creating a clean, organized space can help promote calm and focus, especially in areas where you rest or work. We should also mention balanced meals as a foundational remedy, because eating regular, nourishing meals supports steady energy and comfort, reducing extreme highs and lows that can affect how you feel physically and mentally. Another gentle practice is mindful eating, where you slow down, chew thoroughly, and enjoy your food without distractions, helping you feel more satisfied and aware of your body's signals. Let's not forget the power of routine, as consistent daily habits help the body know what to expect, creating a sense of stability that supports overall well-being. Another beginner-friendly approach is reducing excessive caffeine late in the day, which many people find helps them unwind more easily in the evening, supporting better rest without drastic changes. We also have the simple remedy of laughter, which may sound surprising, but engaging in activities that bring joy, humor, or connection can support emotional balance and help relieve daily tension. Another gentle habit is staying connected with others, as social interaction supports mental well-being and reduces feelings of isolation, reminding us that wellness isn't just physical, but emotional and social as well. As we bring everything together, it's important to remember that home remedies are not about fixing everything at once, but about supporting comfort, balance, and awareness in everyday life, using simple tools that are easy to access and understand. Beginner-friendly remedies work best when they're safe, gentle, and paired with listening to your body and respecting its limits. And while these practices don't replace professional guidance when needed, they can help create a foundation of care that supports overall well-being. So as you reflect on these simple remedies, warm water, herbal teas, mindful breathing, gentle movement, rest, and consistent routines, consider which ones feel easy and realistic for you to try. Because wellness doesn't need to be complicated to be meaningful, and often the smallest, simplest habits are the ones that quietly support us day after day, helping us feel more balanced, more comfortable, and more connected to our bodies and daily lives.